In this creative field where we visual artists who also make videos on the internet call ourselves content creator, we rely on few tools that help us create cool looking visuals. So in this episode of Technical Tuesday, I'm going to show you 5 tools that we use to make our videos look more cinematic. And the best part is, all these items are under 2000 rupees. तर मग मित्रांनो, करायचं का चालू? नंबर 1, कटिंग मैट. आपने इसे इंटरनेट पे कई वीडियोस में देखा होगा. दिस इज व्हाट दे कॉल कटिंग मैट. वैसे तो इसका इस्तेमाल आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में होता है, बट यूट्यूबर्स लाइक टू यूज इट एज अ बैकड्रॉप फॉर देयर टॉप डाउन शॉट. इनफैक्ट आपने गॉक्स के भी वीडियोस में कई बार देखा होगा. अब ये मल्टीपल कलर्स एंड साइजेस में भी आते हैं. लाइक आई हैव दिस A3 साइज इन ग्रीन एंड A2 साइज इन ब्लैक. अब दोनों के भी एक इंडिविजुअल पर्पस है. यू कैन बी वेरी क्रिएटिव विद इट. Here are few ways that you can use it in your videos. You can use this as a background for showing your product by using top-down shot, or you can use this as a prop to show your messy desk. Instead of showing this normal plain white desk, you can use this to add some more character in your videos. I like to use it as a desk mat because, come on, it looks cool. Whiteboard. This is one of the first thing that I bought in my studio, which is this 2-in-1 whiteboard slash चॉकबोर्ड. इसके एक साइड पे आप मार्कर से लिख सकते हो और दूसरे साइड पे चॉक से. इट फील्स सो सेटिस्फाइंग टू राइट विद चॉक. आई मीन स्कूल की याद आ जाती है. आई मीन यू कैन बी वेरी क्रिएटिव विद दिस. You can create dark, moody room vibe where you are planning some kind of top secret stuff, or you can use this to write some important points in your videos like this one, or you can just use it as a backdrop. There are literally so many ways that you can use this board in your videos, and I highly recommend to get one in your studio because I guarantee once you use this, you will not stop using it. Number 3, Magicam. कभी आपने सोचा है कि ये क्रिएटर्स अपने POV शॉट कैसे शूट करते हैं? This is one of the most viral camera accessories of 2025. This tiny weird looking contraption can take your video production to next level. अगर आप इसका सही इस्तेमाल करोगे ना, देयर आर एंडलेस पॉसिबिलिटीज. लिटरली मैं अभी भी उसको यूज कर रहा हूँ टू मॉनिटर माई इमेज. यू कैन अटैच दिस लिटरली एनीवेयर, बट मेक श्योर कि आप उसे फुल्ली टाइट कर रहे हो. थोड़ा सा रिस्की है इफ यू हैव ए हैवियर कैमरा, बट द शॉट दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस आर चुम्मा. It is also very handy while shooting BTS of your shoots. And if you are a content creator, then I highly recommend to get this one because this will literally take your videos to the next level. Number 4, lamps. Now this one is more of a room decor item, but I think lamps can literally make your videos look much more cinematic by elevating or adding mood to your room. I myself have a lot of different lamps on my desk which individually have their own purpose, and whenever I shoot on my desk I intentionally turn them on. As you can see, it looks pretty damn moody. For example, in this shot I'm writing something in a book. It's a good looking shot, but when I add this little lamps, suddenly the vibe and the mood shifts. I mean, you can use it as a filler light source or a practical light source in your videos, which literally give more character to your videos. Like in this one, I'm using this to light up the background, and as you can see, because of the lamp, the background itself is looking more cinematic. You can buy this kind of lamps on Amazon for 800 to 1000 rupees, and you will find all those links in description. Now this last item is very interesting. This is one of the things that every filmmaker in this world have used it in some kind of way, either as a prop or just as a filler in their background. And honestly, it is my favorite thing to use in my videos. I am talking about plants. If you have a plant in your home or in your garden, I'm sure you have used it in some kind of way in your videos, especially in your background. There are so many ways that you can implement plant in your videos. Literally, you can shoot through them or shoot with them, and it will look cinematic for sure. Honestly, plants are the most cheapest prop that you can buy to make your room look beautiful, as well as making your videos look much more better. And the most important part, they are alive. They have soul. I mean, look at this plant. This plant was gifted me almost 2 years back and look at it now, how big it is. Literally मेरे height से भी बड़ा है ये. Crazy, right? I love my plants. Whew. Yeah, that is it for this video. These are the 5 tools, 5 items that we use as a creator, as a filmmaker to make our videos look more cinematic. 5000 like कर दो and I'll make a part 2 of this in a budget version. Budget में I mean 2000 से भी कम में थोड़ा मुश्किल है but I'll try. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something out of it and I'll see you in next Technical Tuesday. Peace.